Hello and welcome to our Easy Community webinar. During today's webinar, we'll introduce you to our new Easy Community. My name is Ana Gunusi. I work in Easy Software as a Business Development Manager. Here you can see my contact details should you need to get in touch at any point. I would like to let you know that we have our question and answers feature switched on. So at any point, should you have any questions, feel free to type your questions and I will either answer them during the webinar or just before we finish. So today I will introduce you to Easy Community. I will tell you how to access it, what you can find there, and how to make the best of it. So to access Easy Community, there is actually two ways. The best way for you, if you are an Easy Redmine customer, is to go directly from your application. To do so, you would go to the main menu, you would scroll down, and you would click on Community, and is the last line of the menu in the right-hand corner. This way, you don't need to log in anymore because you will be automatically logged in into our community. Another option is simply to type in community.easyproject.com and then a login will be required. So Easy Community is a place where we connect our customers both from Easy Redmine and Easy Project. And it's a place where we create interaction with our customers, where our customers can actually interact with each other, share ideas, ask any questions, and share their best practices and templates as well. So as you can see over here, we have a tab called Forum. In our forum, you will find several message boards. So as you can see, one message board is called Community Templates. This means that this is a place where you will find templates, where you can download templates, and where you can also upload templates should you wish to share your templates with other users as well. So let's have a look at the dashboard templates first. As you can see over here, there is also two posts about how to export a dashboard and how to import a dashboard. These are step-by-step tutorials on how to export a dashboard from your application and how to import a dashboard. And below that, we actually have dashboards that you can download from here and later upload into your Easy Redmine. To do so, simply click on any dashboard that you would wish to download from here and later upload into your application. Over here, you can see a simple description of the dashboard, as well as some pictures of what the dashboard would look like. And over here is the piece that is very important, which is the zip file of the dashboard template. So here you can click on this and you can download your dashboard. This is very useful, especially if you happen to delete our demo data that you are provided with in your trial, or at the beginning when you are using Easy Redmine, and later you realize that actually you could use some of the, or if you by mistake actually delete the dashboard as well. So then later you can actually come back here and all those dashboards that were in your system, and if by any mistake you deleted it, you can actually download it back from here and upload it into your Easy Redmine. Should you have any questions regarding the dashboard, the particular dashboard, you can always leave your comment over here, or you can also rate the dashboard how you find it, how useful you find it. So you can give us some star rating over here, as well as you can use the stars just below the name of the dashboard. So those are dashboard templates. And then we also have project templates. It works the same way. So when you go to project templates, you can see here that you will find two posts about how to export a project template from your Redmine and how to import a project template. And below, they are all project templates. So these are the templates that might get deleted once you delete your demo data or anything. And these are very useful once you realize that you might actually need a bit of help with creating your projects. So you can simply come here and click on any project template. Find out a bit more about what this project template is about. So you will find what the template entails, what's in it. You can also find a simple overview in our WBS, so what tasks you will actually have when you download this project template, what tasks are available in the project template. And then just like with the dashboard over here, it's a zip file that you can easily download and then import it into your Redmine. The same thing, you can leave a comment and you can also give us some star rating. If at any point you actually cannot find a project template that you are looking for, you can simply create a new topic over here. So you can for instance, call it template XYZ, and then you can describe what kind of project template you are looking for, and then either our team or another user can actually provide you with the template. You can also actually search and view everything on the community by clicking the filters over here, which will provide you with the most downloaded posts across all the message boards, most viewed ones, and top rated ones. So that just to give you an example, if we click on most viewed, it will show us all the most viewed posts across the whole community. So we already had a look at dashboards and project templates. Let's have a look at the third piece of our community templates, which is features and plugins. Features and plugins board is actually very specific. Over here, we are giving you a chance to actually vote for which features and plugins you would like to see in the core of Redmine and Easy Project. These are actually features that were developed by our implementation team based on some very specific requirements of our current clients. So it's very much customized and tailor-made for specific clients. However, after evaluating all the features that we have done over the years, we came up with with several of them that we think that you could make use of even in the core. And we would like to know your opinion. Therefore, we are giving you a chance to vote. So features and plugins is a section where you can find feature requests made by our clients for their custom implementation. Vote which ones you would like to find in Easy Project and Easy Redmine. And to vote, simply rate the features or the plugin with the stars. So let's show you how that works. Click on any topic name. Over here, you can find some simple description of the feature or the plugin. You can always find a screenshot over there as well. You can either vote by the stars on top here, or should you wish to leave a comment, you can also leave a comment over here at the star rating and submit your reply. This way, you can also ask any additional questions about a feature and plugin, and our team will provide you with the details that you asked for. So going back, you can see that there's actually quite a few of them. So it's really good if you just have a moment and you can go through it and find the ones that you think are the most beneficial for all the users of Easy Redmine and Easy Project. Let's get back to our message board. So just to sum up the community templates, dashboards and project templates is where you can download templates or upload your own templates that you wish to share with other users. Features and plugins section is where you can vote for features that you would like to see in the core of Easy Redmine and Easy Project. Our next section is called News. News are divided into two. First one is called Events. Events is a place where you will always find our upcoming webinars. So as you can see, we have actually started recently doing webinars not only in English, but in other languages as well. So over here, for instance, we have an upcoming webinar for Easy Project, but you can see that we also have Easy Redmine project over here. But when you click on it, you will find some basic details of the upcoming webinar. This one, because it's a webinar in Hungarian, it's actually in Hungarian. Let's have a look at English one. So here, some very basic information about the upcoming webinar. Here is the date, and here is a registration link. So over here, you can simply click and register for our next webinar. Once the webinar is done, you can actually usually find here also a link to a recording of the webinar. So you can now watch a recording of the webinar, for instance, that we ran in June. You have a link over here, or you can, regarding webinars, you can also always go back to our website where we provide all the recordings. So those were events. Events are just webinars. Then we have a section called News. News is a place where we share the news from both Easy Project and Easy Redmine world. So these are basically articles that you will find on our websites, easyproject.com or easyredmine.com, regarding anything new. So for instance, over here, let's have a look at Redmine security first. Eliminate risk and secure your business. So over here, there is just few paragraphs about what the article is about. And if you wish to continue reading, you just click on Find Out More, and it will take you to our Easy Redmine website. I'm sorry. So going back, so these are, just to sum up, the news, message board, two things: events are webinars. News provide links to blog posts and news from Easy Project and Easy Redmine. Then we also have our general discussion message board over here, which is a place where you can write any type of questions that actually do not belong to any of the other message boards. So if it's not related to the project templates, dashboard templates, or our upcoming webinars, and for instance, you just need a question that you would either usually ask on our chat on our website, or that you would usually send us an email with, this is actually a place where you can also post your question. So as you can see, there's already a few over here as already, and members of our support team will always try to get back in touch with you and answer your questions as soon as possible. So those are the three main parts of our community: community templates, news, and general discussion. Just to remind you again, you simply access it from your Easy Redmine application through the main menu and community. So community is a place where we would like to hear from you. We would like to know what are your opinion on Easy Redmine, if there is something that we can improve, if you are improve, if there is something that you are missing that you want to see in Easy Redmine or Easy Project. And at the same time, it's also a place for you to actually learn a bit more about our other product, which is Easy Project. So should you have actually any questions about Easy Project, maybe what's the difference between Easy Redmine and Easy Project, etc., you can always just post in general discussion, and we'll answer your question as soon as we can. So should you have any questions right now, feel free to use the question and answer feature and type your questions in it. You can type your questions if you have any, or you can also just get in touch with me later. You can send me an email, or you can just send on chat. Okay, we actually have a question. What's the difference between Easy Project and Easy Redmine? That's a question from Marian. Marian, this is it's not a question probably for 1 minute. So I will send you, I have your email, so I will send you a PDF document where you can find quite in detail what's the difference. But in general, the difference is that Easy Project is a bit more complex in a way that there's more in the core. So you don't have to be buying everything as single plugins. So there is quite a lot of things in the core, such as WBS, Gantt, Scrum, Kanban, all that is actually included in the core. And then we have some extension modules that you buy. But there is not like you buy every single plugin. I will send you an email with the details. Or you can visit our website as well, www.easyproject.com, where you find everything. So today we learned about Easy Community and how it can benefit you. So you can find the dashboard templates and project templates that you can download. You can join our forum. You can get in touch with us, with the Easy Software team, with our support team, ask any question, as well as get in touch with other Easy Project and Easy Redmine users, share your best practices, and ask for help anytime. I would like to also invite you for our upcoming webinars. We have actually several webinars, but at the moment we already know the date for our Prince 2 webinar, which will be in English at the beginning of October. We are still preparing few more webinars in other languages for September. We already actually this month we had a webinar for Easy Redmine Iron Triangle in French and in Russian. You can find the recordings of these webinars on our website. You can also find the webinars on our Facebook page. We are still preparing a webinar about Easy Redmine, most probably the Iron Triangle, for you in German, in Spanish, and in Brazilian Portuguese. So that'll be this month. And in October, there will be more webinars in English and more webinars in French, Spanish, German, Russian, and Brazilian Portuguese coming your way. So keep checking our website. And usually before the webinar, we always send an invitation via an email, so you have a chance to register for the webinar as well. So just to remind you, here are my contact details. So I will send the information that I promised, but should you have any other questions, feel free to send me an email at any point. You can always get back to the recording of this webinar on our website and on Facebook. We are actually live on Facebook, so if you are watching us on Facebook, just feel free to leave a comment on Facebook, and I will get back to you as soon as you actually finish this webinar. And by the end of this week, the recording of this webinar will be available on our website as well. So thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you at our next webinar.